Hi friends, now we have HP ZBook laptop. In the laptop there is a problem with the screen. The screen was flickering like this. For this I will show you how to remove the screen and panel. How to remove I will show you one by one. Before removing the screen you should remove or disconnect the battery first. Simply slide to remove the back panel like this, and then there will be the slide button is there in the battery. Simply slide this and remove the battery and close the panel like this, and smoothly remove the panel, otherwise the panel will be broken. There will be a glue inside. Because of this you need to be remove the panel smoothly. Take one ATM card or any old ATM card you can take. Smoothly remove the panel. Like this you need to remove. For removing the screen there will be a four screws will be there in that. You need to remove the four screws one by one. This was the connector. Screen connector will be there here. Remove the screws like this one by one. Here will be the display connector will be there, and also one lock will be there. Smoothly remove the lock. There is a lock will be there here. First you remove the lock. Yes, like this, and pull the screen to remove the connector. Yes, this is the lock. Okay, thank you.